Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have got an exciting new brand that I want to introduce to you. So this is a new brand to me. They just started back in 2021, so 2 years young, and the brand's name is called Oleada. All of their bags are designed in New York, so they're New York City based. Two high-flying career women got together, Tiffany and Tracy. One, I believe, worked on Wall Street for many years, and another was also in finance and consulting in central Hong Kong. So they got together to create a whole brand of handbags designed for the modern working woman. And so that is me. I'm the modern working woman, and so many of you watching as well. This is so cool. If you watched my last video, I did a whole video on some of my favorite, most versatile pieces in my wardrobe: handbags, shoes, clothes. And I think a lot of you enjoyed that video because who doesn't like versatility, right? Who doesn't like being able to use their belongings well and use them often and to get your bang for your buck? So this brand actually fits along those themes in terms of versatility. This wasn't even planned, but they offered to send me one of their bags. And I thought, wow, I just did a video that talks about versatility, and this piece here you'll see in a minute, super it's like really multifunctional. So it says up here on the box, Oleada, gentle yet powerful like you. And Oleada means ocean waves in Spanish, and it's a tribute to the multifaceted modern woman. I love all the positive messaging here. I already took a peek and played with it, but I'll show you. This is how it comes beautifully packaged, and here's the information card, and here's a sneak peek. They sent me actually one of their Captain Sleeve Plus sets. And what that means is it is a perfect laptop / work bag, but it is so much more unique and cool than that. It goes beyond that. So let me show you. By the way, I love when brands send me bags within bags. Even these dust bags and tote bags, I make full use of them. So this is the big canvas tote bag that the actual bag comes in. So this is definitely usable. And then, ta-da, I have to show you how this works. So this is in the Onyx color. And you're like, wait a minute, what is this? Interesting, right? It's actually, this is why I say it's multifunctional and it's so versatile. It's actually a 2-in-1. So I'm going to unsnap this, and I'll show you. It comes with its own detachable clutch, and then it comes with a full laptop bag. So if you wanted to carry your essentials, let's say you wanted to put your wallet, your keys, your lipstick, a compact mirror, some hand lotion, a pack of tissues, a pack of gum, you name it. This is a really nice sized clutch that just you can carry like this, or you can use these snap closures here to hook on actually a chain or a strap of your own. And you guys know I have so many chains that I play with from my favorite dress up your purse. So I would put one of my gold chains on here, and it would look something like this. Really beautiful, simple. And then on the flip side of this is the actual laptop bag. It's ingenious. So this is the Onyx set. It's all black, right? And it's made out of recycled plastic bottles. Really cool, meant to be environmentally friendly and sustainable. And so this is the all black one. There's also this gorgeous oat colored one that has the color contrast. And then there's also the marble one, which I think looks super chic as well. So that would be a mix of recycled plastic bottles as well as, I believe, cotton canvas. And from what I understand, everything is treated to be water resistant and stain resistant. So for those of us who are out there slaying it every day, putting our laptops and stuff down on random desks and offices and coffee tables, it is meant to resist, spills and rain and snow if you're out and about. So this is what it looks like on the inside. This is my very not pretty work laptop. I'm an Apple girl, so everything in my home is Apple, Mac computers, iPads, etc. But my work laptop is this clunky thing. So that's a 14-inch laptop. It goes in really nicely. This should fit up to a 16-inch laptop or MacBook. So it's quite roomy. And then it's got this hidden sort of like magnetic function. So it's really secure. And then if you wanted to be completely compact and hands-free, you can put your items in here and then snap them back on, and literally you're on the go. Look how cool this looks. It can be worn just handheld like this, almost like a briefcase. Looks very professional, very polished. And then you can also just detach once again and use this as a simple clutch. You don't have to always put them together. I'm going to tell you, they are having a major Black Friday sale at the moment with select items up to 60% off. You can use my promo code. It is catwalkcity25. So I'll put everything also down in my description box below, including links. The cool thing is, during this promo period, which is through November 27th, so what is that, Cyber Monday? If you purchase from the sale and use my code, you also get this special offer where you receive a $100 gift card, which will be valid until April of 2024. So you've got plenty of time to use it, whether for yourself or as a gift for someone else. And they'll also include a Silk Twilly. So really, really cool, exciting event that they're doing. If you are looking for an interesting, multifunctional, versatile work bag, laptop bag, I think this is just so clever. It's really clever. I'm tired of seeing the same old from the usual brands. So I'm really excited to be able to share with you a new brand that I personally hadn't heard of until they reached out to me, and I was very excited. I will say, even though I'm a smaller YouTuber, I get requests for collaborations and companies want to send me free products pretty much daily. I'm not exaggerating. I have to weed through so many every week, and 99% of them I decline or I ignore because they just don't match what I'm trying to do here. And I just really want to show you things that I'm personally interested in, or at least, authentically curious about, and also brands and items that I think you all would be interested in. I'm not going to show you like a hodgepodge of everything that comes my way because that's just not how I'm going to do this. So I was genuinely intrigued by the brand. I studied up on the brand history and their story, and I looked at all their other designs, and I thought it was pretty cool. So definitely wanted to share this with you. Another thing is, for those of you who watched more of my more personal videos recently where I talked about being burnout and trying to make some changes before the end of the year to find more balance and really slow down and take care of my health and, all the self-care stuff. One of the things that I thought about was that, I work from home and I'm usually sitting at my desk working from my laptop until my eyes get red. I mean, it's really not a great setup. I'm very fortunate and I'm thankful to be able to have a flexible work situation where I can work from home and I don't have a commute. But there are also, there are pros and cons to working from home. There are no boundaries and I'm sitting all day and I push myself too much. And I started thinking I would love to take some breaks and go out into like cute little cafes and, the park or library or wherever in this beautiful city of Manhattan and do my work in these areas, or even like sit out in Bryant Park when it's not too cold, or Central Park, right? And so this is just such a great time for me to explore Oleada's work bag because I can put my laptop in here plus a little notepad and pen, and then I can put my keys and my, cards and cash and all my essentials in here that I would need. Just clip it right on, no fuss, and literally I'm on the go. I'm on the go. How cool is that? So let me know if you have any questions on this down below. Like I said, be sure to check my description box for the links and additional information, promo code. Take advantage of the sale. If there's something that you're looking for yourself or as a holiday gift, this is a great time. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy learning about new brands, especially up and coming brands. I really do enjoy it myself. And as always, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.